Everyone, welcome to Shell Sugar Rush and welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm going to be sharing with you these adorable mini cake or lunchbox cakes that have become so popular, and they are great for any occasion. So if you enjoy things like this, stick around and watch me put them together. So I recently had to make 2 chocolate sheet cakes for another cake that I was doing. And once I leveled those sheet cakes, I actually had a pretty good bit left, about 3/4 of an inch tall, and of course 2 sheet cakes. So when thinking about what I wanted to do with them, I thought, well, these mini cakes or lunchbox cakes have just been so trendy lately, and they actually make a fabulous little treat for someone when you're thinking Valentine's, Easter, Mother's Day, really any occasion. You can customize them, and they're great for someone who loves cake, but when you don't want a really big one because you just won't go through it that fast. So what I did here is took my 4-inch circle cookie cutter, and I cut each of those sheets, or cut out 4 rounds from each of those sheets that I had. And I'm just layering it here with some American buttercream. And these can be a little finicky to put together because they are so small, but certainly still manageable. So here I'm just crumb coating this second one, and we'll get these in the refrigerator for a few minutes to chill, and of course they'll be a lot easier to work with once they're chilled, and we'll come back and get that final coat on them. So our mini cakes are chilled and out of the refrigerator, and as you can see now, they're a bit firmer, so much easier to work with. You don't have to really worry about it toppling over or moving from side to side. And here I'm just taking that same American buttercream and giving these mini cakes a nice final coat, a pretty generous coat, and then I'm just scraping it down with my plastic scraper here. And then we'll pop them back into the refrigerator for a few minutes and let that buttercream chill and do some decorating on them. And you can see here I did just take some leftover paper plates we had from a party and use that as a base, only because I didn't really have anything smaller than a 6-inch cake board. So in the decorating scene, you will see that once I finished chilling these, I did cut around that base just to make it a little smaller so it would fit in a container. So our cakes are ready to be decorated, and you can see here with this first one, I'm just taking some buttercream that I already have bagged and using these colors and just doing a border around the bottom and some rosettes on the top, and then I'll fill in just with some star shapes. But you can really, design these any way you want. Like I said before, you can customize them. Here you see I added some orange and yellow sprinkles just to kind of give it that spring look. And with the second one, again, I'm doing a border with the white buttercream and then some different colored rosettes on top. And on this one, I am going to just kind of carry that design down and around the side of the cake, just to give it a little different look than the first one. But again, you can just be as creative as you want with these adorable little cakes. And of course, you can just pop them in a little container to send them wherever they're going to be going. So our mini cakes or lunchbox cakes are complete. I hope that you enjoy making some of these at home for yourself. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more treats in the future. See you next time.